Hello, Unity Community. This is Jim Pasmore, and I'll be your speaker June 29th, and I'm looking forward to it. My talk will be on confidence. Confidence is doing it your way. But how can you do it your way if you don't know fully who you are? That's what we're going to be talking about. Not only who you are as a person, but who you are as a spiritual being. Once we come to that realization, it changes everything. Knowing who you are allows you to be in coherence and create confidence in your life. But knowing who you are spiritually adds the power of spirit, which is unconditional love, unconditional light, and unconditional power. Knowing who we are spiritually is what we'll be talking about. I'll be sharing stories, I'll be sharing ideas, and I'll be sharing some practices that I feel have worked for me in my life and I know can work for you in your life. So please join me and help me come to a point where we can discover together that wonderful power within that is the power to change the world in wonderful ways. See you Sunday.